If you are struggling to send PDF files on Instagram to someone, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to set up Google Drive on your phone, like I have already set it up. And after setting it up, you'll have to upload that PDF file to your Google Drive. Uh, I have already got a PDF file on my Google Drive. You can upload it from documents, and once you have uploaded the file, you'll have to go to the Google Drive, and the file that you will upload will appear on this page, and you'll be able to find three dots next to that file. You'll have to tap on those three dots, then you'll have to tap on copy link. Now what it will do, it will copy the link to that file that you have just uploaded, that is the PDF file that you want to send to someone on Instagram, right? Then you'll have to go back and you'll have to head over to the Instagram, and you'll have to tap on that message icon on the top right corner, and after that you'll have to tap on that chat that you want to send that file. Then you'll have to paste that link as it is, and you will have to tap on that send button. Now the user to whom you have sent that file will be able to view that file by simply tapping on this link. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.